Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Hope you had a nice weekend. Today is September 12th, 2022, and I'll be analyzing Sezzle, which the SX code is SZL. Sezzle is another buy now, pay later company together with Zip and Block that could be about to reversal, and we believe we could even see a little rally over the next incoming weeks. So that's why I'm actually recording this video, because I don't want to record this video after the stock is up another 100%. Let's record before, take the risk, as our indicators have been pinpointing a potential rally. Let's go through these technical aspects and some fundamental aspects of the company as well, and why we've chosen Sezzle this time rather than Zip. Let's have a look. Guys, I just want to remind, this is not a financial advice. It's just from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up the targets that we wanted to achieve, how we avoid buying stocks at the FOMO area, and much more, all in this channel. So if you like, please subscribe, share this video with someone that you believe you get our notifications. Also, I would like to invite you to become part of our free Facebook community, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. This is the community. We normally post a lot of great quality contents, even some stock analysis for members of this community. Stock analysis that are exclusive for VIP members. We share sometimes with our members here. And not to mention a lot of great quality conversation about stocks and ideas for investing as well in the stock market in Australia. So that's free. So make sure you answer all the questions to become part of this. So let's start quickly with the reason why we have chosen Zip. Sorry, let's start quickly with the reason why we've chosen Sezzle opposed to Zip. Okay, this time because we've been trading Zip. Last trade we've done with Zip. If you've been following us long enough, you know that we closed our position 133% profit on Zip. And we even had a last video about Zip, which we have just closed our position. And we mentioned that we are going to be on our sidelines from buy now, pay later for the next few weeks until we see a potential reversal, which is what's happening at the moment. And that's why we're doing an entry on Zip, and we actually done last week together with some of our VIP members. Now, anyway, Zip is just like Sezzle is just like a Zip, not a buy now pay later company in multiple markets as well. It's been growing probably not as fast as Zip, which is beneficial for this business model sustainability compared to Zip. In fact, the company, Sezzle, has declared in the last earning results that will be looking at become profitable by the end of 2022. So it's a shorter lead time for profitability. That's one of the reasons we decide to trade Sezzle in this last time, opposed to Zip. Another reason as well is, first of all, provided that we are investing or trading in a sector that, by the way, this is not investment grade stock for us. This is just a trading stock. Provided that we trading in a sector that is extremely high volatile, we just want to trade with the stock that has most volatility possible. And then Sezzle comes as number one for us by far. And it is well established, just as Zip is, So now this, the second reason why we decide to go with Sezzle this time rather than Zip is look at this share price swing. First of all, it's trading at 94% below its the last bearish intersection 93%, sorry, below the last bearish intersection, which happened about $8. I'm not talking about all times high because that doesn't matter for us. What matters for us is where was the last bearish intersection. And that's, again, to do with BG trading strategy. And if you want to learn about the strategy, just hit our website, bgtrading.com.au. You can buy our course or you can become our VIP member as well. So then you understand how we trade and you can do trades yourself as well. So a lot of great opportunities in the market at the moment. So this is one. So Sezzle, again, like this is, as you can see here, the bearish intersection, which is the yellow line crossing the red line. So that is the last red flag before the crash, and that's when we sell. That's when you need to sell if you're holding the position, if you're obviously using our strategy. But then what we have here is a 620% rally in July. Okay, now let's compare to ZIP, that we trade ZIP. Let's compare to ZIP. The same rally in ZIP was, in fact, the same rally was 290%. So pretty much half of the share price swing that we saw in Sezzle, right? Obviously, we did really well again with ZIP this time. But now we decide to looking at Sezzle. According to this, if you want to know what we think about ZIP, I'll tell you straight away. I think ZIP is sort of consolidating here. So it looks good, it looks interesting, a high volume as well. But then when we trade ZIP or Sezzle, you basically trading the whole sector because everything moves together. If you look at the chart formation, it's pretty similar. So back to Sezzle, because that's what we're analyzing. Back to Sezzle. So we saw after this massive rally, the stock obviously was trading at FOMO area. We showed a decline on the stock price of 62%. Okay, and the reason we're buying Sezzle at the moment, or we bought Sezzle, is because it's trading 62% below its the latest rally. You don't want to buy at the FOMO area. You want to buy under the SMA at the technically discounted price. Guys, according to BGS 20 strategy, a technically discounted price is when the stock is trading over 10% below the SMA. The SMA, simple moving average, okay? Don't want to buy the course. I'll tell you now. I should be telling to buy the course, but just go through this. If you want to avoid buying the FOMO area, just buy anything that is above the SMA 10% or more. That will be FOMO area. Okay, so if it says it was trading at 80 cents, it's actually 79 cents at the moment, then there would be FOMO area. And then we would not touch on the stock. That's why we didn't touch around here at all. We didn't touch here, but we touched now here because our odds, the chances for and the risk mitigation when you're buying the stock at technically discounted price, it's much better than when you buy the stock at the FOMO area. So simple like this. So now, if you are our VIP members, you know where we're setting stop losses, how we're setting stop losses. I'm not going to go in detail here. And you also know the target that we're using. Guys, I don't believe that Sezzle will back to $8. It's not what we're doing here. What we're doing is we're trying to achieve anything from 20 to 40% using BGS 20 strategy. Then we might even switch to BG trading strategy, which aims to achieve a further profit. That's what we're actually doing with Tyro. Tyro, for example, if you've been following us, you know that we are currently still holding Tyro because the fundamentals of the company has been backed up the stock price rally. And if you look at Tyro here, it has just started to go up according to our strategy. Nevertheless, we paid 77 cents of the stock at the time, and we didn't sell. We just held based on the strong fundamentals. But for Sezzle, for example, Sezzle is going to be a stock that we're going to sell once we achieve our proposed target. And simply because for us, Sezzle is, as well as ZIP, both are trading stocks. Now, from the technical perspective, is we have this green candle on the upside, which suggests that we could see a potential rally coming through. Obviously, we had this one and failed, but we didn't enter at that time. So now we bought at this indication. We also have a slightly increase of volume over the last 3 candles, 3 days actually. Last 3 trading days. What we wanted to see today on Monday is hopefully we see a larger green candle here and a larger volume. If that happens, then our confirmations are correct. But if not, we could, if things go south, if we start seeing a red candle again, then obviously it means that we are going to have a similar pattern, and who knows where the stock could go all the way even 40 cents. But at the moment, we are positive, but we have a stop losses. As long as we have a stop losses, we don't care. We take a minimum loss, but we are protecting our capital now. But the odds are good here, according to this chart formation. Buying at technically discounted price, a green candle with a heck and notch, large volume on the upside. That's what we're looking at the moment. So let's see if we can do 20 to 40% out of this position in the next few weeks. Remembering, by the way, that on the 13th, US will come up with CPI figures indicating what's going to be the next interest rates hike, and that could be could have a positive or negative effect. A lot of people ask me, what am I thinking is going to happen with the market? We don't know. It's 50-50, guys. We just got to see what's happening with the market, then trade together with that. At the moment, we cannot tell what will be the reaction of the market because we don't know the data until it's being released. It's a no-brainer. We cannot guess things. We can only trade with the market once we have indications. Okay, guys, that was Sezzle. Hope you guys enjoy. Let us know what you think about those stocks. And yeah, any questions, please put in the comments below, and have a fantastic week, everyone. I will see you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.